Have you ever heard someone say, "I have a gut feeling," or "trust your gut," or maybe, "I have butterflies in my stomach," when they're nervous or excited? These aren't just old sayings, they're pretty spot on. That's because the gut has more nerve cells than the spinal cord, creating a superhighway of information traveling between our gut and our brain. Because of this link, our gut plays a huge role in our immune function and psychological function. It provides a barrier between what is inside the body and what is outside, digests our food, and absorbs the essential nutrients we need to survive. That's why it's really important to keep our gut healthy. When our gut is not functioning properly, we're at risk of disease such as allergies and autoimmune conditions like chronic fatigue, psoriasis, and acne, to name a few. We are also more prone to irritable bowel disease, mood disorders, fibromyalgia, and chronic pain, obesity, and liver disease. So how can we make sure our gut is operating at peak condition? It's as simple as what you put in is what you get out. By making sure we have the right kind of fibre in our diet, eliminating stimuli that promote inflammation like sugar, caffeine, and processed food, and increasing anti-inflammatory foods such as omega-3 from fatty fish, fermented foods with probiotics, and foods rich in antioxidants. For more information about this, read our Healthy and Happy Bellies article on our blog page and follow us on Facebook and Instagram so you never miss an opportunity to continue mastering the art of living well.